This tutorial will show you how to print a report for each class that includes student parent names and phone numbers so that you do not have to click each student's name and find phone numbers when you're calling a lot of parents. So the first thing you're going to do is pull up the class. Then you're going to click on reports as you see highlighted in the screen. From reports, you're going to click student roster. Then you're going to click add columns. When you click add columns, you'll be given choices of things you can add, such as mother's name, father's name, home phone, email, and those would probably be the good choices to start with. Once you do that and you have all of your columns showing, you're going to click Run Report. Once you run the report, you click View Reports. And then you're going to have a student roster report that shows up, and you will click on that. That will produce a PDF. Then you can save that PDF and then print. You want to do this for each of your current classes. So you would have a report for each class. Thank you very much.